Hi y'all, I'm truck driver Linda. Welcome to Semi Living, where we're not zombies. Hi y'all. We're here today because we have some very bad news. My last few videos, I talked about my Roadpro Lunchbox stove and the latch being broke. Yesterday, it broke in two. We're gonna miss our lunchbox. So my sister and my brother-in-law has graciously provided a poem to say goodbye to our lunchbox. It's called Ode to the Baker. I would call myself a brave little toaster, but that would be copyright infringement, so I digress. Some would have seen me as a regular run-of-the-mill lunchbox, but like the master of disguise, turtle, open me up and voila! Just like a rabbit from a hat, I was an oven. Quite the switcheroo. I will go down in history baffling the conspiracy world. Was I a lunchbox or an oven? I spent many a mile preparing fine foods for Linda and Paul. We saw a great many things on our journey. But as with the bell-bottoms, the mullet, and the Pinto, I must ride off into the sunset and become a distant memory.
Help me!
Lunchbox, are you a ghost? Is that a yes? Or do you live? Do you need help? Do you need help?
Help me!
Dr. Paul, I don't think he's dead! Please come save him! Paul, you said he was dead. You come fix him right now.
I'll see what I can do.
Yeah, right now. Dr. Paul, please tell me you can save him.
Well, let's take a look. I think I can, Nurse Linda.
Quickly, Dr. Paul, what do you need?
Saw.
Saw. Sponge. Here, use pliers. Save him.
Hammer. Power, please. Prosthetic. Sponge. Ooh.
It lives! It lives. It's saved. Dr. Paul saved our lunchbox. But not before I bought another one. Now we have twins.